What's up, guys? Hope you guys did all right with the expressions yesterday. This one we're going to solve. There's an equal sign. So you can do this two ways. You can do it longhand, or you can do it straight calculator. Desmos works too. So if you want to do it by hand, you want to get this square root by itself. All right, so we're going to subtract 2, subtract 2. So now I've got the square root, x plus 2 should equal 5 minus 2, which is 3. Then it tells me to square each side, so when I square each side, that square root disappears, so I end up with x plus 2 equals 9. Subtract 2, and I find out that x equals 7. Now, is there another way to do that besides long way? Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to do a calculator. All right. Here's where you need to learn and know this and remember this. Anytime there's an equal sign, whatever's on the left, I can put in y1. Whatever's on the right, I can put in y2. All right. So, what's on the left? I got the square root, x plus 2. Now, I need to make sure I close that because this plus 2 is on the outside. If you don't close it here, you're going to mess up your answer. So then I have plus 2. And on the right side is 5, so there we go. So all I have to do from here is find out where they cross. I'm looking for an intersection. And when you find the intersection, you found your answer for x. So second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And we find out that x equals 7. All right. I'm going to show you number 2 here, just through the calculator. And again, you can put this in Desmos. Your y1, you can put this in, just type it straight in. Your y2, straight in. Find out where they cross. Where they cross is your answer. So we have square root of x plus 4. And we have square root of 2x. Again, all I'm going to do is graph. Find out where they cross. And when I find out where they cross, somewhere in there, that's going to be my answer. Again, second trace, 5. And then I'm going to press enter, enter, enter. And we find out the x value. That's all we're worried about is our x. The x value is 4. And that's all you really got to do when you're solving these, unless you want to do it by hand the long way. Okay? Same thing, number 3. Square root x squared plus 9. And then we have negative 5. So we're going to graph these. There's the left side. There's the right side. Now, what do we notice here? Do these graphs touch? If the answer is no, then obviously are we going to have a solution here? No. So our answer here would be no solution. No solution for that one. That's only if they don't touch. And if you wanted to try to run an intersection, second trace 5, enter, 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 you're going to get an error message. And that error message will be no sign change, which means they don't touch. Okay. Last one for you guys, example here. Again, y equals square root x plus 16, square root 3x minus 8. Graph them. Where do they cross? That's what you're looking for. Where do they intersect? All right, this one looks like they may intersect off the graph. So I got to change my window a little bit and make my x value bigger. So maybe I'll see them touch. And now we can see that they touch around there. Second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And I find out my x value is 12 where they cross. This should help you out, guys. Should be pretty easy when you have to do these. You need anything, just like I told you yesterday, email me. Let me know what's up. If you need help, if I can't answer it in an email, I'll shoot you a video just like this. Thanks, guys.